Take down. Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned common judgment and order dated 15/12/2016 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad in First Appeal numbers 195 of 1983 and 487 of 1984, by which the High Court has dismissed the said appeals and has confirmed the judgment and the order passed by the reference court awarding the compensation of the lands acquired at the rate of rupees 6.628 per square yard, original landowners have preferred the present appeals, being civil appeal numbers 5738-5739 of 2021 full stop para. The appellants have also challenged the common order dated 2/11/2016 in civil miscellaneous application number 167571 of 2016 in first appeal number 487 of 1984, by which the High Court has dismissed the application for bringing on record certain additional documents filed under order 16 rule 27 of the civil procedure code full stop para. Civil appeal number 5740 of 2021 has arisen out of the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court, by which the High Court has dismissed the first appeal number 203 of 1983 and has confirmed the judgment and order passed by the learned reference court awarding the compensation for the land acquired at the rate of rupees 6 per square yards full stop para. A notification under section 4 of the Land Acquisition Act within bracket hereinafter referred to as Act bracket close was issued on 30/4/1976, proposing to acquire 589 Bigha, 6 Bishwa and 14 Bishwansi land full stop. The land was to be acquired for New Okhla Industrial Development Authority bracket open hereinafter referred to as Noida bracket close, constituted under the provisions of UP Industrial Development Act 1976 for the purpose of planned development of industries in the area within the jurisdiction of Noida full stop. Declaration under section 6 was published on 1/5/1976 full stop. Possession of land was taken by the collector on 31/7/1977 full stop para. The special land acquisition officer declared the award for compensation on 28/3/1977, offering compensation at the rate of rupees 10,200 per bigha, that is rupees 2.38 per square yard full stop. At the instance of the landowners, a reference was made to the reference court under section 18 of the Land Acquisition Act to enhance the amount of compensation full stop. Before the reference court, landowners claimed compensation at the rate of rupees 6% per square yard full stop. However, after considering the material on record, the reference court enhanced the compensation to rupees 14,000 per bigha bracket open rupees 4.628 per square yard bracket close full stop para. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the judgment and order passed by the reference court enhancing the compensation to rupees 14,000 per bigha only bracket open rupees 4.628 per square yard bracket close, the landowners preferred the first appeal numbers 195 of 1983 and 487 of 1984 before the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, and by the impugned common judgment and order, the High Court has dismissed the said appeal full stop. Before the High Court, an application under order 41 rule 27 was preferred to bring on record certain documents as additional evidence, which was also dismissed by the High Court by order dated 2/11/2016 full stop para. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned common judgment and order passed by the High Court dismissing the appeals and confirming the order passed by the reference court enhancing the compensation to rupees 4.628 per square yard, comma, the claimant's original landowners have preferred the present appeals, full stop.